you have been an early investor in OpenAI.
Correct.
You're one of the biggest funds in OpenAI, substantial investment there. You had Sam Altman on the podcast this week, and you asked him, I think, the main question, which is you're investing $1.4 trillion on revenues of $13 billion, and he got very defensive. And I think a lot of people are reading into that thinking, uh-oh, why did he react that way?
And I think that's the story, right? Why are people reading so much into this? And I think we got to step back for a second. The Nasdaq's gone up 40% off of the bottom in April, right? Straight up and to the right. All these AI stocks have gone up to the right. The market was kind of looking for a reason for a breather. And, you know, Sam came on the podcast. He was a little bit feisty. And he said, listen, we're doing more than $13 billion in revenue. And he just said in his tweet that they're going to exit the year at $20 billion in revenue.
It's still a fraction of what they're spending.
Correct. And, you know, as I clarified in my tweet after the fact, when I said, you know, it's unfortunate everybody focused on the feistiness and not on the substance. What Sam said multiple times on the pod and since is that he expects that they'll do over $100 billion in revenues in 27 or 28. And if they're doing that, and you spread the CapEx out, so we talk about $1.4 trillion, half of that's going to be borne by their partners. So now we're down to 600 or 700 billion, and that's spread out over 5 years. So now we're talking 100 to 200 billion of CapEx per year that needs to be borne by OpenAI. Now, if they're doing 100 to 200 billion in revenue in 28, 29, then now we're in the zone of responsible. And so I think that you know, the market kind of ran with this before it really digested the facts.